Line-Altron automatic heavy-duty roll welding production line. The corresponding specifications completed by laser cutting are placed on a fixed material tray. The production line controls the translation loading robot to automatically pick up the material and put it on the conveying platform. It automatically positions and enters the high-precision roll forming machine for roll forming. Automatically find the position of the weld, automatically feed the straight seam welding tooling, and automatically position it. There are multiple auxiliary fulcrums on the side of the wind tube for positioning. This mechanism ensures the stability of the entire roll welding production process. The production line is equipped with video monitoring and real-time feedback tracking of welding quality. The production line covers an area of 13 meters long, 8 meters wide, and 3 meters high. Total weight, 12 tons. Processing range, diameter 600 to 1,350 millimeters. Height 530 to 1,000 millimeters. Wall thickness 2 to 5 millimeters carbon steel. Welding adopts gas-shielded welding, and the protective gas adopts 80% AR plus 20% CO2. Welding is performed from the outside. The end face misalignment error on both sides, within plus or minus 2 millimeters. Welding is required to be firm. The weld is uniform, and there is no welding through. The rhythm and efficiency of the production line. Feeding speed 100 millimeters per second. Rolling speed 50 millimeters second. Welding speed 12 millimeters per second. According to the production efficiency of carbon steel materials. Diameter 908, height 900, thickness 3.5 millimeters. The overall efficiency of the production line is to complete the welding of one air duct every 3 minutes. Flow chart of axial fan air duct production process.